birthday to me. Meron tayong bulalo, pansit at barbecues. Barbecue and pansit and bulalo.
Ay, sa order lang nakakita.
Sarap ng bulalo. Pag hindi natin naubos,
And as possible, it's only trying to have massage. Sheesh.
We just got to keep it rolling. There's no time to be wasting. I'd just rather move it along. Got both feet but in different waters. I need space more than orders. I'd just rather move it along.
Kasi ang tinitingnan ko nga kanina, tingnan mo, hati-hati na.
Dila, ang busot mo lang.
I do tight. Not tonight.
Hindi, pangalagay.
You're gonna hear me. Gonna dance it off goodbye.
Ayan. Ay! Gusto. Thank you. Parang daddy ah.
Can't pass this by.
ay, sarap ng bulalo. Oh, diba? Kain ka lang, kabayan. Nanghatak ako ng ng new friend. Kain na tayo. Iuwi na lang. Ay, sarap. Sarap humigop. Kagagaling ko lang sa massage. Ayan. Treating myself. Yes. Oo, Abel. Cheese! Video mo rin ako. Ayan si ate. Happy birthday to me.
You're gonna hear me. Gonna dance it off goodbye.
Hindi man lang nila pinapit. Di ba yung manok nila ba? Yung din, laman.
Can't pass us by. This bond makes stronger.
Kaya na.
Just be together.
Happy birthday to me. May bisita ako. May kahawig kang kaibigan ko. Nag-ano ka rin? Happy birthday.
Mamaya ka naman sa alas 6 na yun sa church sa Lina.
Can we drop this? Our time can't pass us by. This bond makes us stronger. Just to be together. Can we drop this? Our time can't pass us by. This bond makes us stronger. Just to be together. I love better. Can we drop this? Our time can't pass us by. This bond makes us stronger. Just to be together.
Thank you guys for watching. God bless and stay safe. Thank you.